Hello children, good day to all. Here in this video, we are going to see the poem Firework Night by Enid Blyton. This poem focuses on a dog being scared by the fireworks on a bonfire night. Bonfire night is a night where fireworks are burst and celebrated in the United Kingdom. Colorful bright display with banging sounds are felt all over the country on such days. So in the rest of the video, we will see stanza by stanza explanation and enjoy the poem. Bang, 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 oh hark! The guns are shooting in the dark. Little guns and big ones too. Bang, bang, bang. What shall we do? Here, dog, hears the loud banging sound and wondered where the sound was coming from and what was it. He asked his master if he could hear the same sound. The poor dog thought it was the sound of someone shooting from their guns in the night time. He was scared and wondered what to do. Mistress, master, hear me ill. I am out of doors. I want your help. Let me in, oh let me in, before those fireworks begin. To shoot again, I can't bear that. My tail is down, my ears are flat. I'm trembling here outside the door. Oh, don't you love me any more? The poor dog pleads to his mistress and master to hear him shout for help. He requests them to allow him inside the house. He says that he wants to come inside the house before those fireworks begin. The poor dog says that he is very much terrified and his tail has gone down and his ears are flat because of fear. The dog says that he's trembling outside the door because of fear. He sympathetically asks his mistress and master whether they don't love them anymore. Bang! I think I will die with fright unless you let me in tonight. The poor dog again hears a loud noise of the firework and he says that he'll definitely die out of fear if he's not allowed to come inside the house that night. Fright means an intense feeling of fear. Ah, now the door is open wide. I'm rushing through. I'm safe inside. The lights are on. It's warm and grand. Mistress, let me lick your hand before I slip behind the couch. The mistress then decides to open the door after getting the permission of the children. So now the door is wide open and the dog rushes inside the house. The dog feels that he is safe inside when the lights are on and it feels warm and grand inside. The dog says that he feels very grateful to the mistress, so he wants to lick a hand to show his gratitude and then slip behind the couch. There I'll hide myself and crouch in safety till the bangs are done. Then to my kennel I will run and guard you safely all the night because you understood my fright. Here the dog wants to hide himself behind the sofa to escape from the loud noise. He finds himself safe there, and once after all the fireworks are done, he wants to run back to his kennel and safeguard the house because he feels that his mistress and master have understood that he is afraid of the fireworks and allowed him inside the house to rest there. Here we have come to the end of the poem, and I would like to conclude this poem saying that you all know animals have 4 to 7 times of higher hearing capacity than humans. They could even hear sounds what humans cannot hear. So when we burst crackers, It might sound minute for us, but for them, it will be very loud and noisy. So let's be considerate to those voiceless and also to our environment during our celebrations. Let's try not to hurt them for our happiness. Thank you, children. I hope you all have enjoyed this poem. Catch you up with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.